In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Artistly AI to reduce repetitive work and speed up your creative process. First, log into your Artistly AI account and go to your dashboard. This is where you can access all your previous projects and tools. Next, start by saving your best performing prompts. Instead of rewriting everything from scratch, reuse these prompts and make small edits depending on the new project. After that, use templates or style presets to keep your workflow consistent. This helps you avoid redoing the same settings like lighting, composition, or style selection every time. You can also duplicate previous images or projects and simply modify key details such as subject, background, or color scheme instead of starting over. Another helpful tip is to organize your work into folders or categories so you can quickly find and reuse assets when needed. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.